Hey there, I'm Lauren and this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime mentors, and this video is part of our Meal Hacks series where we are sharing tips and tricks to make mealtime manageable.
That's right, Lauren, and today we are beefing up a salad kit.
Yes, so these salad kits are super popular and they're great because everything is right in the kit, but they are a little on the smaller side. So we're going to share a way to beef it up so that it either feeds 2 people as a meal or 4 people as a side dish.
I absolutely love this hack.
Yes. So fun. So today we're using a chopped salad kit that's more of like a Tex-Mex type flavor. So we've got our greens that are in here. I'm going to add the ingredients that come in the kit, which are some tortilla chips and then some cheddar cheese.
And to this, we are going to add a bunch of different vegetables, protein, and some whole grains. So we have black beans. Oh my gosh. We've got some green peppers.
And these were canned black beans. We just drained and rinsed them.
Some grape tomatoes that we've halved. A little bit of corn. So we're using canned corn today that we've drained, but you could also use frozen.
Oh, yeah.
And just let that thaw out. And we have some cubed chicken.
Yep, so you could use leftover chicken or rotisserie chicken.
Oops, and get the rest of that. Yeah. Some avocado because you need that healthy fat in there.
Yeah.
And then some cooked brown rice.
So we've added in some veggies. We've added in some protein with the beans and the chicken. And then we've also added in some rice, so a nice whole grain as well. So I'm just going to toss this together. And as you can see, it's gotten so much bigger. And then we have our dressing kit, which I'm not going to add in, but as you can see, it's really big. So typically they give you a lot more dressing than you need. So beefing it up makes the dressing an actually appropriate amount.
So we hope you give this meal hack a try at home. Share it on social using the hashtag mealhack, and find more hacks on our YouTube channel and find more recipes at festfoods.com/meals.